In today's video, we're doing a 2S, 3S and 4S speed run with the brand new version 2 of the MJX 10208. Thank you to MJX for sending the 4S battery to us. Let's get on. So this is the 2S speed run, all the way up to 100% on the controller. Car is on. As you can see, this is in the memory. That's 1 kilometer an hour. So we will go to, it's already on track. Come on, and start. How fast can we go on 2S? Whoa. Now that's fast! Look at the speed, ladies and gents! Oh my! Looks like it's pulling to the right somewhat. Woo-hoo-hoo! There's some serious speed records going to be broken today, Colin. Right, I'm going to call that for the 2S speed run, I think. We have read. We have 33 kilometers an hour. But what can it do on 3S? Let's find out. So as you can see, we've got the 3S 5000 milliamp hour battery that actually came with the car. It is... Ow, that were on my foot. Ow. We are on 100%. Be very careful when picking up the controller because, you know, you can have a runaway like that. The GPS, 33 kilometers an hour like it was the last time. We're already on track, so we go to start. Excellent. I can confirm that the tyres are grippy. I've got the GPS at the back. That's why I'm just having problems sort of putting the shell in position sometimes. Nice. Right, let's do the steering so it doesn't pull to the right. Okay, let's go. A little bit more punchy, isn't it? Keep up this time, Colin. What a difference. Oh yeah. And one more. Ooh. Right then, what have we got? Now, on the old speed run that we did when we reviewed this, we got 50? Yes, 50. But the battery was low, so I am hoping for a little bit more. Stop and read. 54, right, okay. Now I wonder what 4S can do. Let's go. Now we have the 4S 5000 milliamp hour battery 35C that MJX sent to me to test out. Up to 100% again and power on. Now on the GPS, that's the 54 from before. Start. So I wonder what it'll get now. What am I missing here?
Wrong way around, Dad.
Is it?
The wheelie bars on the back.
I'm very tired today, ladies and gents. That's what I'm missing, Colin. I think that's what they call a senior moment. So, oh, I'm interested on this one. Whoa! Full throttle. Oh, oh, love it. That is impressive. Come back, come back. Oh.
Looks like the tires were balloon.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? That should give us some extra speed. So once again, ladies and gents, we are just testing the durability of this vehicle. What do you reckon, Colin, if we got 54 on 3S?
68.
68. He thinks 68. We have stop and read 77. That's quite an increase, and I suspect it is because of the tyres ballooning. That is brilliant. Right, let's do one more quick run just to verify that, because, you know, we really should. See if I can not total it. That is fast. I didn't quite expect that speed. Right, 77, do you think we're going to hit that again, Colin?
I think that's like 75.
You think a little bit slower, do you?
Yeah.
That's fun! 76, right, so that is what it's capable of. So ladies and gents, what do you think about those speeds? 2S 33, 3S 54, and an unbelievable 77 on the 4S. Now, you would have thought it would be getting at least double of the 33 of the 2S, as it's 4S, double the size, but it's getting much more than that, 11 kilometers an hour more. Why? That shouldn't be possible. Well, of course, the tyres are ballooning out, that's giving you a bigger circumference. So for every revolution, it's traveling a little bit further, and therefore you're getting a higher top speed out of it. It's just basically free performance for the tyres ballooning out. I didn't expect 77, I'll be honest with you. The speed that they said that you'll get on 4S is around 80, so it's very close to that, and I think in perfect conditions it would definitely hit that 80 without a shadow of a doubt. So once again, I am very surprised at this vehicle. It's got a lot of weight to it, a lot of mass. When it was coming towards me twice, I freaked out a little bit because I don't want to be hit by this one. But it is just so cool. It is so good. It is my new favorite. Yes, that is true. I'm enjoying driving this one. Now, before I end the video, I just want to inform you of what's going to happen in a few moments' time. If you see behind us, there's a big gravel area, and we're yet to drive this car on 4S on gravel. So we thought, well, we're here, it'd be rude not to try, wouldn't it? So check out the next video for that. Take care of yourself, stay safe, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.